The dining room is the heart of the home. It's where we gather, socialize, create beautiful memories over delicious meals, and I personally think that it should be the most inviting room in the home. Hi, welcome to the Scotia Renovate Your Way series. I'm Angeli Spencer, Miss Jack of all trades, and today we're going to infuse the palette with colour. An accent wall actually elevates and defines the dining room, especially in spaces with an open floor plan. And research shows that the colour green, which is the colour we've actually chosen for this dining room, actually evokes the feeling of abundance, peace, refreshment, and security. I cannot wait to show you the transformation of this beautiful dining room. For the interior walls, we actually are going with the super paint. The great thing about super paint is that it's a paint and primer in one. So sometimes when you're changing your paint color and you're coming from maybe a darker color to a lighter color, you sometimes have to prime the wall to minimize the coming through or the bleeding through of the old color. But the great thing with super paint, as the paint and primer is in one, is that it's thick enough that you can just make one application and that's it. No need to prime. So this is actually a great finish. So we're using this in the dining room. I believe our choice in this dining room turned out quite beautifully. This beautiful sage green has created the perfect relaxing, calming tone for the dining space. It's also the perfect backdrop for the mirror that we've rehung, and I think the antique gold looks great against the accent of the green wall. We've brought also green accents in, and of course florals are always a great idea. And in terms of lighting, a chandelier not only creates a bold statement, but it's also perfect task lighting for dining. But to bring in a little bit of romance and a little bit of ambient lighting, we chose these wonderful candlesticks, and we light these candles and they create the perfect mood for romantic dining. Big dreams for your dining room? Scotia Plan Loan has you covered. Dine in style with flexible repayment up to 72 months, competitive rates, fast approval, and no penalties for early repayment. Create the home you deserve. So, with the right touches, your dining room can be the star of every gathering. So, let's toast to style and functionality. Dinner served.